morning everybody, this is Mustafa Driving School driver training. In this video I'm going to commentate or demonstrate how to deal with a roundabout, the spiral roundabout and a lane discipline. Okay, so we are approaching at the roundabout. At this roundabout I'm going to go ahead, second exit. So which lane do I need to stay? Okay, so we're looking for the signs and road markings. So which lane is going ahead? A10. I can see the left lane goes a left only, so it's A1 to 1, and I need to be in the middle lane to go ahead, second exit. So now check my mirrors, and I don't need to signal because I'm going ahead, second exit. So we are applying MSPC routine, mirror, signal, position, speed and loop. So here mirrors but no signaling, stay in the middle line because the middle line goes ahead, the left line goes left only. I'm looking for the gap, looking for the opportunity. 1 2 3, yeah, safe, good. So now stay on A10. Once you pass the first exit, check your center mirror, signal left and leave the roundabout. Okay, so once we leave the roundabout now, so check our mirrors, straighten the wheel, then we're going ahead. Now two lines split to 3. Which line do we need to stay? We need to stay in the left line. Why? Because left line is normal driving position, so we got to be in the left lane unless we're overtaking or turning right. So if the left lane is available, we must stay in the left lane. Right, okay, so now we're approaching to M25 roundabout. At this roundabout again we are going ahead, a second exit. So again, which line do we need to stay? We stay in the left lane because the left lane take us ahead, second exit. So we can see the roundabout control with the traffic light, so we don't have to wait for the car because the car's coming from the right hand side, because the roundabout control with the traffic light. Okay, so it says M25 and A10, so this lane perfectly will take us towards A10. So just be aware the light might change. There you go. So when the light has been green for a while, so we got to anticipate the light might change. And also while we're here now, we can see the cars next to us. Black car was signaling, so now he's canceling his signal, just in case sometimes people forget to cancel the signal, and sometimes people cut from the right side to the left hand side, so you just need to be aware of that. Okay, so we're going ahead, second exit. We just stop behind that white line, and when the light is changed, then we're looking both sides of a car, just in case a motorbike or cyclist, anybody might overtake us or filter lane. Okay, so now have a look. Okay, so this is the first exit. So now when we pass the first exit, center mirror, left mirror, then continue towards the left side. Okay, so spiral roundabout, and just check the left mirror again all the way to the left hand side, then continue. So now the road is bendy here. Check our mirror, just slightly come off the gas because this is really sharp bend, then continue to the left hand side. There you go. So now continue. Thank you very much guys. I hope you find this short video useful. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe for more. Thank you and have a lovely day.